I am hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
So we have the electrical board coming next week. So that's all the electric to put it from the cupboard outside and going into that transformer there for the house temporarily. Everybody, so we've had the electrician come in. He came and is putting the new electrics from the outside wall onto this temporary box, and then from the temporary box until the work's completed, that will stay there. And then there's going to be a trench put in underneath the floor here that goes into the house, and then a junction box into the house, which hi everybody. So as you can see, the electrician, the EDF people came and put in our electric from the mains box into a temporary box. The temporary box is there just until the work has been completed on the house, and then there'll be a trench dug from the box underneath the floor into the main house, and then the main fuse box will go into the garage when the garage is built, which the electrician will come round hopefully this week, next week, whenever he has time to put it all together. So then William will have electric in the house, and then he'll be able to start doing the stuff in the house with it. It's exciting. So here we have a big long pipe. How long is it?
I don't know, 6 meters. How long is it?
So just been out and bought this pipe today. It's a bit of a long one. And then that's going to go into the ditch down there for the water to go away. Just going in the house for now.
Six meters, 5.
6 meters. Will that do the whole ditch?
Probably not. here. There won't be enough. Hey, there won't be enough. Yeah. Probably another one.
I don't think there's going to be enough. I think they might have to have another one to go down to the bottom of our land. It looks massive, doesn't it? William,
What?
is that where you dropped the hammer?
No.
No.
What hammer?
I've not seen the hammer yet.
No.
Did you drop it behind that wall, William?
No, I did not.
Didn't you, William?
No. So,
And the wall that's disappeared from there now, so he's managed to recuperate the hammer back. Yay!
are we taking this floor out then or not?
I haven't got a clue yet. I don't know if it'd be easier leaving it up so we can do the stonemason on it. Or
But
the
the
stone
wall's got to come down below the timber anyway.
Yeah.
It's got to basically come down to that level, isn't it? So they get the concrete beam in
And rebuild it back up.
and rebuild it back up.
Or would it be easy on there? Or would it be
Well, I've got
easier
the other-
getting the scaffolding up
I've got the scaffolding at home, which we can join up between with them.
between all that clothes?
So it's left entirely with you. I think it would be better down,
All of it?
laid down, complete start.
I think so too.
But what I do want to do, I want to get 4 acros
Up on each
to shot
side.
these 2 extra beams.
Be safer.
Yeah, for you.
I think we should do it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be safer. Then not everything can go. Then you're not cleaning up under a street, or it's not dropping down behind there. And
I think it should be easier getting the
another thing as
scaffolding
well is, if you do mix in here, the JCB will come under and straight up there with the bucket, so it'll be easier. if I can get it in workaround,
Yeah.
rather than handballing buckets up there.
I think so.
It's easier to try and do it. Yeah.
Okay then. Crack on then.
Crack on then.
Tomorrow morning, take it away.
Welcome back. So today William's been getting on with some more stuff. So today is going to be taking the wooden wall down that was down here. He's just left all this wall to take down now on both sides. It's getting very echoey in here now because it's getting empty. Here's the upstairs floor to do. Upstairs floor to take down. The beam, that's the main structural beam that they'll be leaving in, but the one above is the one that needs to come out and needs to be supported, which the builder will do. And as you can see, the beam up there is what you call not quite straight, but that adds the character to it, as you can see. There we go. A lovely nice beam. So that'll add in the character of the wall when it's being put up. As I said before, the kitchen is going to be here. The fireplace over there, big, what do you call it, the kitchen
Island.
Thank you, William. Kitchen island is going to be here. Over in this little area here, where the garage doors are. There's going to be a staircase. I can't quite sure where about the staircase is yet, because someone decided that William's going to have the staircase here. But if he puts the staircase here, there's going to be a big glass window, door opening. And if he puts it here and goes up this way, because he's having like a floor that goes across in the middle, then that's going to, like, you're going to come in here into the entrance. You might be banging your head on it all the time. So this is going to be the main feature window here. So then we've decided it might go down this area, whereas this area is going to be an opening window as well. But it might look better if it's in this area. So then I think it's going to come up like that and then round onto the, is that right, William?
Yeah.
It's going to come like around and
Up.
then up
That side of the
onto
beam.
the main beam onto this side.
Yes.
So we're figuring out at the minute what to do, aren't we? Well, aren't you? It's not me. So yeah, it's kind of like, because he wants his table in the middle as well, but is a table, is it going to interrupt the middle central area of like it being open, being a big entrance hall? So yeah, he's got to decide that, which will be better once everything's down and he can start clearing, see what's going. So yeah, this is it so far. This is where he's at. Bit more productiveness happening. But yeah, it's just really destructing at the minute. And we've got a builder coming round, should be today, give us some guidance on how to take the wall down from up there that's better and more structure, how to do it, ready for him coming to help out. As he's really busy at the minute, but if William can do it himself, it'll save a bit more time for the builder to do it. I was just looking at these holes in the wall and thinking what they could be. I think basically they was the beams was in there, the main beams was going in there, and then that was going into the wall across there. And I think this was another room, maybe a cow shed or something like that, before the new floors was put down, because the height behind is lower than the inside. So I think this might have been a cow shed at some point. What do you think?